Hi, this is Pranay Sharma from SMONG. Welcome to our family of actuarial aspirants. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how we are going to communicate with our Google Classroom for our online lectures. Now we can do that using our laptop in our any browser, or we can do it with our mobile. I'll show you both ways. In laptop, you can use any browser. Now all you have to do is go to classroom.google.com. So when you open classroom.google.com, it will ask you to log in, or it will already log in for you. And if you have already some classes joined, it will directly show you the class. Otherwise, you'll have to first join a particular class. As you join with us, you will get an email. Now when you search Classroom in your Gmail, you will find such an class invitation. If you click on it, all you have to do is click join, and it will take you to the Google class. It will ask you whether you want to log in with it and whether you have to join the particular class, and after you click yes, this is the page it will open, or similar page, whichever class we are talking about. Now I'll show you the similar method in your mobile as well. In our mobile, the first thing we have to do is download Google Classroom app. So go to your respective app store and search Google Classroom. This is the app, and you will have to download it. After you download it, open it, you will have to log in with the same email ID that you have given us. Then go to your Gmail, find that mail and click join. It will take you to the Google Classroom app. Now when we are here, we have three options. You can see in our mobile down we have stream, classwork and people, as well as here in our laptop top we have stream, classwork and people. Now in our stream, we can communicate with each other in this particular class. Like I have posted as a teacher, hi, this is a post from teacher, schedule for the next classes so and so. So we'll be communicating through this, and you can comment on it directly here. You can say hi, or you can just say okay, whatever, and you can post it. So we can have communications, and we can have thread of communications directly in one particular post. So you can open a conversation directly as well. Let's say you have a doubt in a particular question. You would say question number 3 in the file below, and you can attach a file. You can attach here, and you can go to file and attach, let's say, a photo of that question, or maybe a Word file, a PDF file, whichever file you would prefer here. And then other students can answer to that particular question, or maybe the teacher can answer your doubts. So this way we'll have a communication on this particular stream, not only for our schedule but for our doubts as well. You can do the same in your mobile as well. In the mobile, you can see here we have one comment as well. Okay, and you can start a post yourself. You can say question number 5 in the file, and on the top right you can see that attachment sign. You can click on that and you can attach a file, or you can take a photo. You can see now whenever there is a post, you will get notification very similar to like this. So that is why I would like you to have your app in the mobile as well, so that we will have real-time communication with each other. Now other than that, you would see a classroom section. In this classroom section, we will have all the material available to us. We have course material, we have chapter wise assignments, we have recorded lectures. If you want to download the chapter wise assignment, all you have to do is click, I have posted one chapter assignment here, I'll click on it. Now we cannot directly download from here. You can see that assignment, but you cannot download it. For downloading, you will go to this 3 dots, more action, and click on open in new window. It will open the file in a new window, and after that you would see that we have a download option here. You can see here we have a option to download on the top right. You can download it from here. You can do very similar thing in your mobile as well. Let me show you that. In our mobile, we can go to the classwork section from the bottom. You can see the section here, and we can go to our chapter wise assignment. Click on the assignment, it will open here. But again, you cannot download it directly from here. You can see, you can do whatever, but you cannot download it from here. For download, you can see the top right, we have an option that shows that square and an arrow. So just click on it and it will open that file in a new window. That would be your Google Drive. In Google Drive, if you go to the three dots on the top right again, you will have an option to download. You can see the option third from the bottom. So this way you can download your assignments from here as well. Now other than that, all the lectures would be recorded and will be posted here. Okay. So we'll have all the recorded lectures, and also with that we'll have a lecture detail document. If you click on that document, it will detail all the lectures conducted on which dates, as well as which questions were solved of assignment, as well as our books in those particular dates. So this would be updated every time we'll have a class, and later on, if let's say near the examination you want to check a particular question and you don't remember how did we solve it, you can go and check this particular document and you will be able to pinpoint in which video you had that particular question solved. So these are most of the things that we'll be accessing, at least at the beginning. Later on we will be having tests that will be posted here. Okay, right now there are no tests posted, therefore you cannot see any, but you will be able to download the test, and then after solving it you will be able to upload it in that particular section directly. We will also have a section for our practical examination, that would be our R or our Excel, depending on whichever examination you are giving, and you will be able to access all the material from there as well. That's it for this video. If you have any other doubts, you can ask us directly. We'll see each other in the next one.